And Cardona is hammered! Cardona is hammered. Hit on the head. At saka, you know, an ordinary player would have reacted, ha? Kasi tinamaan niya sa ulo. For the fourth bag, Cardona hounded by Ibanez, and pinisit Cardona, ha? At yun, may technical foul. Pero sabi natin, hindi napipikon si Mac Cardona. Ito, napikon na tuloy. Si Ibanez actually. Here's Cardona, tinulak. You know, Cardona really is a pesky customer on offense and on defense. 1 second to go. At pinisit. Ay, teka mo na. Natawagan ng foul. Si Pinisi. And that came at the buzzer. So nasa penalty situation ang Red
Friends, 8.7 in the quarterfinals, but the emotional barometer of Barangay Ginebra, no question about it. In the meantime, a delay of game warning. Let's see how the refs call this. Referee Herrera approaches the scorer's table.
By Gary David. And you can see the entire coaching staff of Meralco.
I love you, my brother. Isang dribble sana. Ito. Ayun.